I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin looking good. Finally, one of the strongest monthly closes in the last 18 months. Welcome to December. Are we going to see the December to remember Santa rally? Bitcoin right here. We talked about it yesterday. We wanted this to be a falling wedge, and it worked out perfectly. Bitcoin pushed higher, broke this previous resistance, this previous top, and now is back testing it as support, which also happened here as well. So, I mean, this opens up the window for $40,000 Bitcoin. I also have some amazing news real quick. I've got a coin pick that is ridiculous. I mean, it's going to do crazy multiples. So I'm super excited about this video. Make sure to watch to the end. SEC Spot ETF potential window is between January. Bitcoin Spot ETF could happen between January 5th and the 10th. We'll go over that at the end of the video as well. But Bitcoin looking good. This is a 45-minute chart. I basically was just pulling some shorter term time frames. We talked about this. We wanted it to be a bull flag. And guess what we got? A bull flag. And you see, again, just to touch on it, you see previous rejection, downside. Technically, this was a bull trap. Now it's retesting it as support. So that's a sign of strength. You just want to hold this level at about 38,200 and Bitcoin upside. There's some positive news, like I said, just came out. I announced it to you immediately. This ETF potential. Again, there's so much spot Bitcoin ETF hype. Like this price action has been. Everybody's been waiting on a pullback. And what's happening? This thing is just up only. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group, and this is beyond phenomenal. I mean, can you just look at these gains? Bull run ready. And that's what we do, is we change lives. We dealt storage, midterm hold, 308%, 184%, 192, 238, 113. This is no leverage. These are all spot. Storage 10 days after it was posted, 121%, 103% out of Ren. Bangers Central. Leverage groups also killing it continually. I have to continue the discount at least another few days, but the goal is to change as many lives as possible. All you have to do, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com, 730 for 15 months. It's less than $2 a day to change your life forever. It's that simple. This person in the group in Naka, I'm at 55,000. 55,000 now, you're going to be a millionaire. We're going to talk about USA coin. And they just launched on Uniswap. And we saw 938% profits. Gem pick banger. It's Gamblify. And I'm going to talk to you about Rollbit and what Rollbit's done. And it's crazy to see the numbers. I mean, gambling in general is a $65 billion industry. When that new money comes in, guess what happens? I start giving these picks on MEXC and KuCoin. Make sure you make a MEXC account. The VIP link in the description, you get half price trading fees. I gave you guys Mars 4 yesterday on MEXC and KuCoin, and I said this got parabolic price action potential, right? It says Gem Pick Banger is ready to bang. It's going to bang as soon as I launch a video. And guess what happened? Bang. 81% profits in less than 24 hours. GameFi and AI and GambleFi. Wait till you see the GambleFi multiples are crazy. So this is USA coin, and you can buy it on Uniswap. And this ran, the pre-sale was 10 cents. It's up to $1.44. I'll put the contract address in the description. The first time in the history of the channel that we've talked in depth about a coin that you're buying on a DEX. But with what's happening in the United States, you have to make changes, right? But over 24 hours, it's up 900%. Obviously tied to a casino, and the coin has all these ideas I'm about to go over with you. But first, look at these multiples. These are from other GambleFi coins. Rollbit, the most successful. USA coin on this list, potentially, right? There's a vesting period. Like people, when you buy these coins, you're not dumping them. Like nobody's dumping these coins. Like people are holding these coins, and there's even a staking opportunity. People are locked in like for the long term, and it's exciting because, gosh, look at this. Decentral Games did 118x. This could be one of the first 100x picks on the channel. Blockchain Bets did 127x. That's at a $15 million market cap. USA coin is at like a $1.4 million market cap. And it's done 9x. That means it gets up in this area, it's 90x. SX Network did 507x. Rollbit, imagine hitting 4,379x. These coins, it's a narrative. It's this market cycle. We have real world assets, which we'll get into, but GambleFi is huge. And so the token generation event was yesterday, November the 30th. Rollbit, as an example. I mean, this coin is $500 million coin. It's number 99, right? This has really opened the doors up for GambleFi narrative, and it's banging. Go over to, on Twitter, to @_deadprez. So it's DEDPRZ. So I'll put this in the description, right? Because you want to click on their link tree, and then it'll bring up and you can go directly and you can trade. And right here it says buy and sell on Uniswap. So you have to install MetaMask, obviously fund it with Ethereum. You buy and sell with Uniswap. They also have NFTs, but this is a huge opportunity because it's early. It's just started. Right? We need to go over this idea real quick because this is important. They have been live and functional for 2 months, and they've already seen a monthly growth rate of 100%. Only 50 million tokens. The stakers of the DeadPrez NFTs and the USA tokens are going to be able to get royalties, 60% from the net profits of because they want to reward the closest supporters. People have to hold this coin. They're not able to just dump. They also, and this is so interesting, and this is what got me started on this coin, was to the group, I said, look at this. Measures in place to avoid bot attacks. This is interesting. So they had a 40% buy and sell tax for the first 5 minutes of the launch, because that's what you're fighting, bots. Like they're in there just buying and selling. But they took that out of the picture, right? And then they rolled the tax back to 3% on buys and sells after the first 5 minutes. The revenue that they generated from the taxes is used to build the bankroll for the casino, finance the lotteries for the community, cover operating expenses, build a sustainable business, right? They are doing things right. They have a ton of people super hyped about this coin, and it's going to have tremendous amount of upside, period. People are not able to dump their coins. This is huge news. The SEC Spot Bitcoin ETF approval window is set for January 5th through the 10th. And then I wanted to read the details just to make sure that everybody's clear. And so I scrolled down to the bottom and I said, to this point, the SEC has consistently delayed its decision regarding the Bitcoin product. However, many expect that to change in the early months of 2024. Specifically, many have predicted that a decision on many of them could come within January. Therefore, it falls in line with the reported approval window. Bitcoin certainly benefited from this speculation, and it's officially surpassed the $38,000 mark for the first time since 2022. So again, you've got a potential Bitcoin spot ETF window, January 5th through the 10th. This will be amazing. Bitcoin will act like an altcoin if it gets in. You see these ETFs get approved, you'll see quite a few, right? So Bitcoin seeing some upside, some strength on this idea, that retest we talked about. Life-changing money, baby. We're here. Let's do it. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.